In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 easiest balance transfer credit cards you can get and what credit scores you need to get them. Let's go. Starting at number 3 is the Citi Custom Cash Card. Now, I like this card because you get 0% for 15 months, and that's a 0% intro APR purchase period. You're also going to have the regular APR of 19.24% on the low end and as high as about 29.24% on the high end. Again, it says you need about a 670 credit score, but you should be able to get approved for this at about a 640 to 650 credit score. Not only that, but you also get an intro bonus of over $200 cash back when you spend over $1,500 of purchases in the first 6 months of account opening. Now, of course, that's going to be fulfilled as thank you points, and you'll be able to redeem that as $200 cash back. The second card on our list is going to be the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card. This is going to give you also a $200 one-time cash bonus after you spend only $500 on purchases within 3 months of account opening. So it's a little bit less that you have to spend, but you also have a shorter time frame as compared to the Citibank card. Okay, you also get 0% intro APR for 15 months, which is still a good amount of time. Regular APR of 19.99%, and also as that's on the low end, and on the high end is about 29.99%. It looks like you only need about a 670 credit score. Again, is they say that, but sometimes you end up needing about a 640 to 650 credit score, guys. And that's the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card. And number 1 on our list is the easiest balance transfer credit card that you can get, and that is a Discover It Cashback. Now, Discover It also has a Discover It balance transfer. However, this was going to not only just give you the opportunity to do a balance transfer at 0%, but you can also get cash back. So this is how it works. You're going to get unlimited cash back match only from Discover. Discover will automatically match all the cash back that you've earned at the end of your first year. There's also no minimum spending or maximum on rewards. You can also turn $150 cash back into $300, guys. Now, this is going to give you a much lower regular APR at 17.24%, and that's on the low end, as high as about 28.24% on the high end as well, too. Okay, guys. And so again, the recommended credit score you're going to need, they always say about 670 to be safe. But guys, you can potentially get this credit card at about a 640, 650 credit score. Okay, and again, that's a Discover It cash back. Now, what a lot of people like to do before they make their final decision is actually compare these credit cards. You can do that by clicking the link down below or this QR code right here at the top. But listen, guys, none of this means nothing if you're not paying your credit card on the right date. If you want to learn how to do that, go ahead and click on this next video.